I became the general counsel to the Constructor Group.
Okay.
Constructor is it's headquartered in Switzerland, and I was put in charge of managing legal for all of these things. And on day one, I was absolutely terrified. I went to Switzerland on my first business trip, and I'm so scared and I'm so nervous.
Mhm.
And I don't have an office there. And I bring my little laptop and I go into the coffee break room because there's a table there to go, get access to Wi-Fi and things like that. And then I started to meet people and talk to people. And I started to see all of the inefficiencies, all of the problems, all of the challenges, and I started putting the puzzle pieces together.
Mm.
And the thing is that everybody inside of a big organization, what I realized is that, again, people come from these big companies. They're trained in this very specific way to do what they know how to do. They're not trained to look at the big picture
Uh-huh.
and to just see, hey, there's a mess, let's go clean it up.
Mhm.
And so I started going in any department where I saw a problem. I was like, all right, let's fix this, right? Or I could just take different things that I had learned, like all this disparate stuff from taking on all of these different projects
Mhm.
and apply it to anything. Like, you want to acquire a nonprofit university? Fine. I know about nonprofit regulations. Like, let's figure this out. Tax
Yeah.
issues, HR, employment, visas, immigration, corporate regulate, whatever, because I know how to figure things out.
Yeah.
I know how to look for what I don't know, and I know how to get things done. And so, very quickly after that, I became vice chairman of Constructor Group. Not very quickly, like a year and a half later, but
That's pretty quick. I
pretty
think you
quick.
can say that's pretty quickly. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was given a title that went way beyond general counsel,
Mhm.
because of the fact that I had done things with such breadth. So yeah, I was really intimidated and very, very insecure coming from my background, only to realize that it's such a superpower. When I manage outside law
Mhm.
firms, when I manage lawyers, I know things that they don't know.
Yeah.
I'm not deep necessarily in everything,
Uh-huh.
right? So I have to rely on other attorneys, and that's what a good general counsel does, obviously.
Yeah.
But I know how to ask the right questions.